Special Agent Fox Mulder here, and we're down at the Baxter curve. And we're about at Baxter, like I say, at Baxter curve, Baxter Touring Road sign there, about 40 kilometres southeast of Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. The stop before Somerville, and yeah, well, hopefully we'll be able to get the freight train coming around here. We're certainly about to get a Doodlebug. That's the first train along the line. We should be along any tick of the clock. Like I said, there's our Baxter Touring Road crossing, unsighted crossing. There's the whistle sign. Actually, I think it's a bit further down that way. So, unsighted crossings, Doodlebugs, and hopefully freight. Here we have one of our axle counters. They usually at intersections, but this is a pretty long section between two crossings. So these are, we only have these axle counters here to mitigate against obviously if the train separates, mitigates problems regarding a train separation axle counter. Usually they have them after the intersections, because simply if you bounce it across an intersection, that is the place where you may come apart. This is a bit, well, let's just say how you're going along here. It's a bit bouncy. So I'm tipping they've probably put this one in here for that reason. Doodlebug Ahoy. Like I said, Doodlebug Ahoy. He don't mind getting the whip out through here. Hopefully he's got it out. Excuse me. Beautiful weather for training today. About 22 degrees in the mid 70s. Little tiny bit of wind. And there he is. And he's motoring Jack. He's about to cross over the Frankston Flinders Road intersection at pace. Coolio. Born salute as well. Nice start. Okay, our next train along, get your words out, is the freight train. A little bit how you're going on the side of the track is, you got to watch where you drop a wheel. You don't want to drop it in the shit. There's some pretty big holes there. Yeah, I'll have to excuse my voice. Had a bit of singing and guitar work over the weekend, so I'm pretty sure I got no falsetto voice left. So yeah, I'll have to excuse the gravel in the voice today. Yes, dusty second-hand eyes. The superstar stuck into the supermassive. Jesus melting in the dead of night, and the superstar stuck into the just a supermassive. Waiting for trains can be a little bit fun. While I'm waiting for this next train to come along, I'll take this time to encourage everyone, grab your phone, go out and do some videos. You don't need a computer. I've got 3,000 subscribers, nearly 2 million views and it's all done on my phone. I'm not saying don't get a computer, but I'm saying it's not impossible to create a YouTube channel that gets views on a phone. That's all I've done. Obviously room's an issue, but so far I've been able to be pretty good. I'm using an A52 Galaxy S, circa, let's say 2021, and it's been the best phone. So grab your phone, go out and film what you want. You don't need a computer, and you too can get some views and get some subs on YouTube. Okay, I'm thinking about doing some guitar work on just through shorts, because I can get the original sound going over the top, but I can also, after that, show some of the chords that I am playing to the songs. I did do some of this on Instagram last year, got lots of views, so many views that I in fact chickened out. So I'm going to bring that back, and hopefully we'll probably start with Collective Soul Shine, and we'll work from there. Oh, and leave a comment if you think that's a good idea, if you like guitar stuff, music stuff like that. I like trains, I like music, I like cats, so perfect, that's in my wheelhouse. Leave a comment. Steel train ahoy! Steel horse on the track. Listen to those horns. He's coming through Baxter crossing at the moment. Looking right in the sun here. Can't see anything through my visor. My screen. Oh yeah, he's got something on him. There's his light. Couple of aces on the lead. On salute, alright. He's got a slug on the back there. Awesome. Awesome EMD slug on the front end. Hoppers ahoy. Beauty. He is absolutely motoring, Jack. Heading across the Frankston Flinders Road. Awesome. Coolio and the gang. Righto, we're going to head down to Naval Service Base now, and we'll go and see what we can see down there. Blue scope turnout, all right. Okay, Steel Horse, Australia. Taking the blue scope turnout. Looks like we've got a slug on the back there. I'm not sure what that is. Interesting catch anyway. First time I've seen a slug on the line. Double-ended tab. So an English style G512. Now it looks like we've got the bigger coils happening again today. They are huge. I'm over 6 foot and they're towering above me, twice as high, maybe more. See a little bit of trains on the rail there action. Sorry for the count. Should be about 35 to 40 on it today. 40. Sorry about my voice today. Definitely new cradles there to take these bigger coil rolls. Okay, Doodlebugs ahoy. Not Doodlebugs, what are you talking about? Hoppers ahoy. Got a fair line of hoppers on him today. He won't make it all the way across the road because down further he's got a derailer to manually operate there. There's 3 derailers between here and the main office of the HP. Obviously I don't know what the train in the boss's lap. Someone will be answering some questions. And no, I don't think he's going to make it all the way across. He's a pretty long one today, Monday morning special. Pretty quiet, no track movement. Cruising through about 15 kilometres an hour, which is the track limit through here, and he's made it all the way across the road. Look at that, spot on. I'll zoom that in a little bit so any shakings are on the cameraman's fault. And sorry about the shaking, it's uneven ground here. He's about to pull up. Those hoppers will be left on track. Loud truck. Those hoppers will be left on track. He'll take the steel coils up to the big crane. Then he'll come down, flick those hoppers away. And then he'll bring the next train down for the night. Okay, we're going to head down to Cerberus Naval Base and we'll see if we can catch a doodlebug. Okay, back in the jam jar and we're just about to head to Cerberus. You can see his end of train device flashing there. Well, thanks to the traffic we didn't quite make it down to Cerberus. You're lucky the recording wasn't on there. There might have been a couple of crow calls going on as people were going a little bit slower than I liked. They might be up at the station, so we'll pause it there. Okay, shouldn't be too far along. Yeah, we're down at, this is Stony Point Road here. Filmed a couple of trains on the other side of the track here, but yeah, didn't quite make it here in time, so we'll watch him go across at speed. We get a little view of him here. And then we'll be heading out later on tonight to catch some more freight, some more night doodlebugs, and all sorts of madness, of course, on Special Agent Fox Mulder. And there he goes. Beauty. Okay. Hop back out on a dash cam mount and do a bit of a turnaround. It's a weird intersection this. The arrows here only work when there's a train. So we'll just wander in here, do a U-turn, and we'll head back to home base. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe. Help out my channel, leave a comment. Beat the algorithm. Share, notifications, the whole kit and caboodle. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you in the next one. Special Agent Fox Mulder. Out.